I'm Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Actually, last week I was going through all the messages on my Facebook page, and one of the subscribers, he texted me saying that Nisha, you don't have enough paneer recipes in your channel. And seriously, I realized my mistake and thought of rectifying it ASAP. So here I am with a very simple paneer recipe. Making paneer is no rocket science, of course. But the reason why you should watch this video is because in this I'm going to teach you how to make dry paneer masala. Now adding a spoon or two of this masala will really enhance the taste of paneer a lot. So without further ado, let's go into the kitchen and check out this simple and healthy recipe. But before that, if you're new to my channel and if you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen and do follow me on my Facebook page also. So till I see you again, please take very good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.